Airports do not have to be stressful, and today we are sharing the best airport tips for travelers so you can move like a pro, save time, and start your trip relaxed and ready. Start with what you do at home, because smooth travel begins before you leave the house. The night before, check your flight status and the exact terminal. Download your airline app and enable notifications so you catch gate changes or delays the moment they happen. Take screenshots of your boarding pass in case the app goes offline, and save confirmations for hotels and transfers. A simple rule saves headaches. If it is important, save it offline. Pack for security, not just for the trip. Put liquids and creams in travel-size bottles and group them in a clear pouch near the top of your bag. Keep your laptop, tablet, and power bank in an easy-to-reach pocket. Wear socks and slip-on shoes so you are quick through screening. Empty your reusable water bottle before the checkpoint so you can refill it after. And keep valuables and medication in your personal item, not in checked bags. Make your documents grab and go. Keep your passport, ID, and boarding pass in one slim wallet or passport holder. Put a small pen inside it for forms and luggage tags. If you are traveling with kids or in a group, assign one person to be the document captain, and do a quick check before you leave the taxi or train. Phone, wallet, passport, chargers. That one last glance can save a sprint back to the curb. Plan your timing with purpose. For domestic flights, aim to arrive about 2 hours before departure. For international flights, aim for about 3 hours. If you fly early in the morning, lines are usually shorter and delays are less likely. When possible, book the first flight of the day. Planes and crews are already at the airport, which reduces the chance of rolling delays. Transportation matters. If you are driving, book parking in advance and take a photo of your spot. If you are using a ride service, set the pickup pin at the correct terminal and door number. If you are on a train or metro, check for weekend maintenance or late-night schedules. A little planning here prevents a last-minute rush. Breeze through check-in by doing it online. If you must check a bag, use the airline kiosk to print tags, attach them firmly, and take a photo of your bag and its tag number. If the bag gets delayed, that photo speeds up tracing. Add a smart luggage tracker inside your bag so you can see where it is when you land. It is peace of mind for a small cost. Security is a mindset, not a hurdle. As you approach, put your phone and wallet into your bag, not into the tray, so you are not juggling loose items. Remove belts and metal items before you reach the front. Choose the line with more business travelers and fewer huge strollers. It tends to move faster. While you wait, untie hoodie strings, remove watches, and be ready to slide your items onto the belt. The goal is constant forward motion, no last-second scramble. After security, refill your water bottle and check the airport map. Find your gate first, then explore. Gates sometimes change, so anchor yourself by locating it early. On the way, scan for restrooms, power outlets, and quiet corners. Many airports have family rooms, nursing rooms, and prayer rooms, and these spaces can be calmer than crowded seating areas. Eat smart, especially before long flights. Choose a balanced meal with protein and fiber to keep energy steady. If you are sensitive to sodium or swelling, go lighter on very salty foods. Pack a small snack like nuts or a granola bar. If you have food restrictions, airports may have limited options near your gate, so grab something earlier in the terminal rather than waiting until boarding starts. Use lounges strategically. You do not need elite status to get in. Many lounges sell day passes or accept common cards. If you have a long layover, the cost can be worth it for reliable Wi-Fi, clean restrooms, and quiet seating. If a lounge is full, ask staff about nearby partner lounges. Sometimes a less-known lounge 2 minutes away is nearly empty. Power up without the scramble. Bring a small multi-port charger and a short cable for fast top-ups. Wall outlets fill quickly, but many gates have charging towers that people overlook. A small power bank ensures your phone stays alive even if you board with low battery. Label your cable with a small piece of tape so it does not walk away. Protect your sleep and sanity. Pack an eye mask and simple earplugs in an outer pocket. Airports can be bright and loud at any hour. A lightweight scarf doubles as a pillow or blanket if the air conditioning is strong. If you feel anxious, take a slow walk down a quiet concourse or find a window with natural light. Movement and daylight reset your mood. Work the gate to your advantage. Sit where you can hear announcements but not in the tight crowd at the door. Keep an eye on the display to track the boarding groups. If you need overhead bin space, be ready when your group is called. If you prefer a calmer boarding, wait until the later groups. Just do not cut it so close that your name gets called. If you have a tight connection, prep now. Take a screenshot of your next gate and terminal. Many airline apps show live connection info. If your first flight is delayed, use in-app chat to ask for alternatives while you are still in the air or while taxiing. When you land, follow the signs for connections, not baggage claim, and ask a gate agent for a fast-track lane if your connection is truly at risk. Polite and specific requests work best. For immigration and customs, small habits speed things up. Have your arrival form filled, remove hats and sunglasses, and keep your phone away unless it is needed for a code. If you are bringing food, declare it honestly. It is faster than getting pulled for inspection. After baggage claim, keep your luggage easily visible and never leave it unattended even for a moment. If your flight is canceled or heavily delayed, act on 3 channels at once. Get in the physical line at the desk, call the airline, and use the app or social media support. The first agent to free up can help you. Be friendly and precise. Say your route, the flight number, and your preferred solutions. Same-day reroute, partner airline, or overnight hotel if required. A calm tone wins more than a raised voice. Traveling with kids or elders, think in segments: security, restroom, food, gate, and boarding. Tackle one segment at a time. Pack a small comfort kit, tissues, sanitizer, a favorite snack, a light toy or e-reader, and a change of clothes in a zip pouch. Celebrate each checkpoint. Kids respond well to small wins, and your own stress drops too. Safety is simple and powerful. Keep your bag in front of you when seated. Use a small luggage lock, and do not display cash. If someone distracts you, hug your bag with one arm. If you need help, approach an airline desk or a uniformed employee, not a random passerby. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, move to a brighter and busier area. Money and data tips make a big difference. Enable travel alerts on your cards and carry a backup card in a different pocket. Use the airport Wi-Fi with a privacy mindset. Avoid banking or sensitive logins. Download offline maps and translation packs at home. Screenshot the address of your hotel and any transfer instructions in the local language. It saves awkward moments at the taxi stand. Baggage claim has its own rhythm. If you checked a bag, note the carousel number on the display. While waiting, set your ground transport plan, pre-book a ride if prices surge, or confirm your train platform. If your bag is late, go to the help desk before you leave the area. Show your photo of the bag and tag number. File the report on the spot and keep the claim receipt. Finally, make your own airport routine. The best travelers do the same sequence every time. Check gate, refill water, restroom, food, power, stretch, and then relax. The routine removes decision fatigue, which is the real source of travel stress. When you know your steps, the airport becomes familiar, even if you have never been there before. If these tips helped, I would love your support. Tap like. It tells the platform to share this with more travelers. Subscribe for weekly travel guides and simple hacks that save time and money, and hit the bell so you do not miss the next episode. Safe travels, and I will see you in the next one.